It doesn't look the worst, and I'm shocked. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I do this to myself over and over again. I don't know where I got the idea that I can just figure out how to sew, that I can just teach myself how to sew. I mean, realistically, that's how so many people learn, thanks to YouTube, but just I am not that. And so today I have tasked myself with sewing Moose and I a matching set of outfits. Okay, so here's the thing. If this goes well, this could be the cutest thing that I've ever created. If this goes poorly, we may not have a video for this Sunday. So hopefully, if you're watching this, things went well enough. So the extra fun part is that I was able to get my hands on some definitely illegal and bootleg Louis Vuitton fabric. So we looking bougie as baby. Let's go. It's like rainbow sorbet or like rainbow sherbet. Sorbet? What's the difference? I'm not sure. The fabric is so cute. The only thing, I mean, there's lots of things that could go wrong here. But one of the main things is that I have never sewed with spandex before. So I did a little bit of research and bought some specific threads that are spandex friendly and talked to a few sewing experts. So say a prayer to Lord Baby Sewing Jesus and let's do this. Oh my God, also massive announcement. This is old news if you're subscribed to the vlog channel, but my podcast, co-hosted by my boyfriend Jeremy, is launching in 2 days from when this video goes live, which also happens to be my birthday, August 11th on Tuesday. I have been waiting for this moment for genuinely 5 months now, and it is finally here, and I'm so excited. The trailer for the podcast is already live on all streaming platforms. We also have an official YouTube channel that's gonna have the video component, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you wanna watch it on YouTube. And the best birthday present that you could ever give me is a 5-star rating on Apple Podcasts. Okay, so like, I know that it's just the trailer up right now and you haven't listened to episode 1, but I think we just go into it with a good attitude, and a good attitude means 5 stars. No, but seriously, rating helps us out so much, and I'm so excited for you guys to hear the podcast. It's on some next level, if I'm being honest. Okay, so let's hop into the sewing. I actually had an old dog t-shirt that I was able to cut into panels to use a bit as a guide. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. I just want to reiterate that 1,000 times. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I am so sorry in advance to all of these sewing experts that I'm about to offend with my atrocious form and techniques. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I am genuinely concerned for my brain being able to figure out what pieces go together. Like, as you can see, I have this old deconstructed sleeve just like here, making a sad attempt at trying to help me through this process. Oh. Also, I have no plan on doing any kind of collar like this. I would just like to set the expectations exactly where they should be, which is extremely low. Like, extremely low. Wow, this is like kind of sticky to each other. That's weird. Literally, what in the f did I get myself into? This was such a good idea in theory, but now that we're having to execute, I feel less good about it, if I'm being honest. This is so weird. It like slips, but also sticks to itself. I also read online that when you're working with spandex, there's a specific way you're supposed to pin it so you don't leave holes in it. We're not gonna pin it like that today. I don't think I caffeinated enough for this project. There's one seam finished. And by finished, I mean pinned together. So this is the stomach piece. This is a sleeve. This is another sleeve. And then this is like our back piece, which looks way too big. I think I gave myself way too much seam allowance, like way too much. Moose has put on a little quarantine weight, you know, it happens to the best of us, but I think I maybe did a little too much. I mean, you know what, as long as this turns out okay enough for a wide shot and maybe a TikTok, I'll be okay with it. I think I may have taken on too much by making an outfit for me and for Moose. I don't know if there's enough hours in the day for this. I also have this this bad habit. It's really not cute of me, is that when I get in a fight with the sewing machine, it ruins my entire day. It puts me in such a bad mood. Okay, so I think we start there. and see how that goes. I feel like I should probably do another tester piece just in case something goes wrong to make sure my tension and stuff is right. I should have just done, you know, a regular ass room decor video. Damn it! Okay, I've got a tester piece. This could set the tone for the entire day for me. Okay, moment of truth, here we go. So far, so good. Okay, that went really well. Like almost so well that I'm concerned. Oh my God, okay, okay, okay. So Google and a sewing friend recommended a zigzag stitch, which I think is the move. It's definitely puckering a little bit, but not bad. Oh, do we just start now? I think we just start, right? That went really well. Okay, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Scary. Also, I'm very much just fully like YOLOing where all of these seams and such should go because I don't really know, and I gave myself too much seam allowance and I have no experience, like literally zero experience other than like watching a little bit of TikTok on sewing TikTok of pattern making and how to use patterns, and I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I really just need to hammer in the message of like, I don't know what I'm doing, and I wish so badly that I did, but we're just not there yet. So let's do this. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, we have our first our first steam. This is going really well. Wow, okay, that looks pretty good. Wow, diagonal really is the move. That makes such a difference to keep it stretched. Okay, next one, let's go. I feel like this is the downfall where I get overly confident and things just like start going poorly. Except for no, because we're not gonna do that and jinx ourselves. No. Oh, are we back? Oh yeah, something's jammed, something's broken. Oh my God, like literally what is that? Oh, sir, what is going on? All right, y'all, we're back in business. There was actually something up here. I was having a little bit of dumb bitchitis up here. She's fixed now. Oh yeah. Wow! Oh my God, this actually resembles like kind of what I was hoping it to. I mean, I don't want to jinx it. We're not gonna make any bold moves right now, but this is going better than I anticipated for this early in the game. You guys, when I tell you that my brain almost just exploded trying to figure out where the sleeves attach, we got there though. We got there. What is this? What is this? Honestly, it kind of right now reminds me a lot of like a baby wetsuit. Like, you know, when like a toddler or like a little infant child is learning how to swim and their parents put them in like a little bit of a flotation neoprene wetsuit. That's kind of what this feels like for Moose, except for bootleg bougie version. So anyways, we figured out where the seams attach now, which is great. Moose also has this issue, and I think Frenchies also experience this, where they have like a really broad chest. So he typically has to size up a little bit in the things that he wears. So I'm making it a little bit bigger. The fabric is stretchy at the end of the day, so we may just be relying on that a lot. Again, I don't want to say anything like really positive about this until it's on Moose and he's thriving in it and like the project is entirely done. Things are going kind of well right now, and it scares me a little bit, if I'm being honest. Okay, so she's inside out currently. You know what? I think this is a really strong effort at piecing things together when you don't actually know what you're doing. I have a lot of excess fabric to cut off. God, these seams are god awful. I don't know the proper way that you're supposed to sew an armpit situation, but it's not this. So I'm gonna trim off the excess of these seams, like this stuff, and then we'll flip her inside out. It doesn't look the worst, and I'm shocked. That took me 2.5 hours with a lunch break to make this tiny little t-shirt. Oh God. Okay, it's the moment of truth. actually. Got a little bit of a weird neck going on here. So that's a sleeve for sure, with kind of like a really puckered, messed up little armpit situation. There's our second sleeve. Okay, but dog's arms are here. The neck is very wide. We're going for a wide neck look, apparently. I mean, it's got a decent amount of stretch to it. This hem is terrible. Like one of the worst I've ever done. I'm not proud of that at all. But these seams are in the right places and I feel good about that. They don't look great, but they're definitely in the right places. Oh yeah, this one is real bad as well. But like, is this a dog t-shirt? I think it's gonna be. Wow, I am so excited to put this on Moose. Moose tolerates clothing, does not love it, but tolerates. And I think this is gonna be his color. Okay, so I guess it's my turn. I just realized that making myself a dress is 4,000, yes, that's like an exact number, is 4,000 times easier. Mostly due to the fact that I'm kind of just like a rectangle all the way down. No boobs, not really a butt or anything. So it actually works out in my favor very much for sewing. So I repeated the same process as I did for Moose's shirt, where I used a dress that fits pretty well and just used it as a pattern. I feel like my sewing skills are not good enough to be confident about doing this little peep cutout thingy here. So maybe we'll just avoid that fully. I don't know, is it too simple to just do like a tube dress with some cute little strappies like this? You know what though, I'm kind of here for like the tie-up straps. Not only is it like completely customizable to like the length that you want it, but it's cute because you got a little bow and it's really easy to sew on. I've got my strap pieces already cut just using my rotary cutter, so they're all pretty even. I was thinking about doing some kind of like ruching or cinching detail on either like the sides or the front sides, but I actually think with this pattern, it's gonna be too busy since it's obviously gonna distort all of the logos, and we are a brand whore, so we don't wanna do that. I'm just kidding. But no, I do think that'll make the pattern look really weird if it cinches up. I do feel like that style is so flattering on every body type, and I personally love dresses like that. But I think because the pattern of the fabric is so cute, I'm gonna keep it just super simple. So I've got my sides already pinned. It is an inside out tube rectangle because that is my body shape. I love that for me. But truly, like, if this turns out, this is gonna be so cute. I'm obsessed with this fabric, and also down to wear stretchy things forever. We have a tube. Like literally the fact that this is just like as simple as, I mean, we could technically be done right now, and it would be a dress. I would be covered. That, I mean, that is a thing. Okay, let's add some straps. You guys, we are out here. Like, we are so out here. Again, this dress is very simple, but we out here. So identical to the other dress, I'm just doing 2 straps that are just like loose on each side that tie up in a bow over top of the shoulders. And I've got my last 2 straps to sew on, and then she's done, y'all. Wow, cute. I always get so nervous that like someone's gonna call me out for like how bootleg it is. Like if I was out in public, I'd be too scared to wear this to actual Louis Vuitton, because I'm sure as like professionals, they can spot a fake from miles away. But you know what? There's no shame in the game. There's no shame in the bootleg game. There's no shame in the game. There's no shame in the game. There's no shame in the bootleg game. There's no shame in the game. There's no shame in the game. There's no shame in the bootleg game. I'm excited to wear this, and is this gonna come to Palm Springs with me? Absolutely. Am I gonna take all the photos in it? Absolutely. Okay, cute. Okay, I'm gonna hello dress. I'm gonna finish off these strap tie ends and cut to the makeover of Moose and I.
and then a large waffle fry.
Will you make sure you get the Chick-fil-A sauce?
Yeah, they have extra Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up for the efforts of the sewing that I went through today. Honestly, 9 out of 10 for like fighting with the sewing machine. We got on pretty well today and I am stoked on that. Let me know in the comments what kinds of other videos you'd like to see. I have a thrift flip coming up, and then like low-key, I've been trying to talk Jeremy into doing a truth or drink video with me. So go bully him on social media to convince him to do that. I feel like with the celebration of the launch of the podcast, we should do a truth or drink. You know, it'll just ease you guys into all the stuff we're gonna be talking about on the podcast. As I also mentioned, the YouTube channel link will be in the description box below, and I would love you guys forever if you can go rate the podcast on Apple Podcasts. And I think that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the vlog channel and on the new podcast on Tuesday, and then I will see you guys in another Sunday at, I'm out of breath, Sunday at what? Okay, bye guys, love you.
My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.